You've received an invitation to join a Zoom meeting. Do you need a Zoom account to do that? No, you don't. However, you won't be able to host your own meetings unless you have a Zoom account, and you can get a free Zoom account. If you've received an invitation to join a Zoom meeting, you can click on the invitation and you'll be able to join that meeting. You won't be able to customize your settings if you don't have a free Zoom account, but that's probably okay for you. And you won't be able to do things like manage your contacts and your calendar in Zoom. Once again, you probably don't care at this stage. So you can download Zoom just using the link here, and I'll show you just how easy it is to install. Okay, so we're going to zoom.com. You do not need to sign up to download Zoom. You don't need to sign in, and you're not hosting a meeting. All we need to do is go into resources here and download the Zoom app. And so I'm going to do it. I'm on a Mac, but this will work just as well for for Windows PC. So I'm using a Mac, and it's called Zoom Workplace. So you can see that that's downloading there. Very, very easy. I have not signed up for Zoom, and then I just go through this little wizard which just steps me through. Next, am I going to install it for everybody who uses this computer or just for me? Depends on your situation. I'm the only one. I'm going to install it just for myself. Happy to keep that install location. And there we go. Password. And it's a really very, very simple thing to install. That's it. And now all we need to do is when we get the invitation, we can sign up if you want. You can sign in, or you can simply join the meeting using Zoom itself, using the Zoom app, which is what I'm using. Or if you click on the link that you have been sent from whoever is hosting the meeting, then yeah, that should start up Zoom for you, and it's that easy.